big cat lover in the studio here.
How can I concentrate now? Aren't they
How
gorgeous?
would you give that cub a home?
I'd have to think twice, wouldn't I? The temperatures are creeping up over the next few days. This afternoon, quite a bit of cloud around, but it is dry and there will be some spells of sunshine, increasing amounts of sunshine actually as we head through the second half of the afternoon. High pressure building in, a lot of settled weather, and it'll certainly weaken any fronts that head in our direction over the next few days. So a lot of dry weather about, as well as those temperatures creeping up. This is a satellite picture when it catches up. We have got a fair amount of cloud out there, but it is broken in some places, and I think if anything we'll see it melting away through the second half of the afternoon. So variable cloud in the short term, some sunny spells particularly for the coast, but as you can see that cloud, as it also often does so at this time of year, will tend to melt away into the early part of the evening. Temperatures lifting to around 18 or 19 degrees, which is actually average for the time of year. So any remaining cloud melting away, it's going to be a lovely evening, plenty of sunshine and then clear skies overnight, dry with long clear spells, a little bit of mistiness in places and temperatures falling back to around 9 or 10 degrees. So tomorrow another dry day to come, variable amounts of cloud. Just watch out, this cloud here could be a little further north. That's more medium and high level cloud, so it might just block out the sun at times, but generally it looks dry with some spells of sunshine, and you'll notice those temperatures a little bit higher. That theme will continue into Friday as well. Claire.
Keeley, it's good news and you get to deliver it.
Hello there, good evening. The temperatures will continue to creep up over the next few days and a lot of settled weather to come. Tomorrow there will be some cloud around, but there'll also be some warm spells of sunshine, and high pressure over the next few days means that any fronts will be very, very weak. So just the odd spot of rain here and there perhaps. Through this evening and overnight though, it's dry with long clear spells, a little mistiness later in the night and temperatures falling back to around 9 or 10 degrees. So tomorrow there will be this area of medium and high level cloud just threatening from the south, but generally it looks dry and bright with broken cloud and spells of sunshine. This cloud could just produce the odd isolated shower, but as I say, mainly dry. Temperatures lifting to around 20 or 21 degrees, so above average for the time of year. Into Friday, a warm day to come, cloud amounts increasing from the west through the day. Temperatures taking a little dip on Saturday when there will be a few showers, the best of the sunshine later in the day, and Sunday looks like the sunniest day of the weekend.
Hey, Keeley, I still haven't recovered.
That says more about you, Amy, doesn't it?
I know, it's got another 5 to go. Good luck, Ian and team.
Absolutely.
What's the weather going to be like from the rest of the week then, Keeley?
Yeah, do you know what? A lot of settled weather to come. We haven't said this for a while, have we? But it's going to get warmer, particularly warm, you'll like to know, early next week. More on that in a moment. Temperatures, though, creeping up over the next few days. A lot of dry and settled weather to come. And tomorrow there will be some cloud around, but there'll also be some spells of sunshine as well. And high pressure is responsible for the settled weather, so making any of these weather systems that head in our direction a lot weaker, only producing 1 or 2 spots of rain. But generally over the next few days it does look like it's set fair and there will be a lot of dry weather. Temperatures reached nearly 19 degrees this afternoon. We did have a bit of cloud through the middle part of the day, quite a bit of cloud in fact, but it has melted away and there are some good spells of sunshine out there this evening. And that'll take us into a fine night, dry with long clear spells. It might be later on in the night we get a little bit of mistiness in places and temperatures will drop back to around 8 or 9 degrees. So a lovely start to the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, and it will be a largely dry day, broken clouds, sunny spells. Just watch out for this strip of medium and high level cloud threatening from the south, quite possibly affecting parts of South Yorkshire through the afternoon. It could be thick enough for the odd spot of rain, the odd light shower, but that's really the exception rather than the rule. Plenty of dry and fine weather with broken cloud for most of us through tomorrow, and temperatures even higher than today, getting up to around 20 or 21 degrees. 21 is 70 Fahrenheit and just above average for the time of year. And those temperatures continue to rise into Friday. Friday there'll be some sunshine around. Areas of clouds spilling eastwards through the course of the day, so it won't be wall-to-wall sunshine, and there could be the odd shower about on Saturday. The best of the sunshine on Saturday will be later in the day. Sunday the warmer, the drier and the brighter with plenty of sunshine, Amy.
About time too.